food. I know.
Good to see you.
Yeah, by the way, my name is Gilbert. I've been here in Rwanda for more than 29 years. I came here in early 95 and I work with so many companies in the country and I see how the country has been developed.
Yeah.
Very high speed. Finally, I got my citizenship and I'm very proud to be one of them, one of the Rwandese citizens. And today, I believe that this is my right to choose. I'm very happy and I'm very, I'm very surprised the way how the Commonwealth of Rwanda has been organized the election. Very well organized and very peaceful. You cannot compare, by the way. If I may say, in my current country, in the Philippines, election is always trouble every now and then. Because, I don't know, it's sad to say that the people doesn't accept. For me, with my 29 years experience in Rwanda, it's what I can say, it's very peaceful and it's very well organized and people follow and obey the rules and the regulation during the election. This is what I'm very happy with.